Did you know that Mum Bett bravely sued her owners in court for her freedom and won, making her one of the first African American women to do so in American history? Welcome to Book Schooler, where we explore diverse historical figures and events tailored for Black children's books and homeschool curriculum. Well, in today's video, we delve into the remarkable life of Elizabeth Freeman, also known as Mum Bett, whose legacy continues to inspire generations. The popularity of homeschooling and alternative education methods provides opportunities for children to learn about important historical figures like Mum Bett outside of traditional classroom settings. Born into slavery in the 18th century, Elizabeth Freeman, affectionately known as Mum Bett, endured a life of servitude under the Ashley family in Massachusetts. And despite physical abuse and hardships, Mum Bett found inspiration in the ideals of freedom and equality promoted during the American Revolution. She seized the opportunity by the Massachusetts Constitution, and with the support of attorney Theodore Sedgwick, she fought for her freedom. And her landmark victory in 1781 not only secured her freedom, but also contributed to the eventual abolition of slavery in the entire state of Massachusetts. Mum Bett's story is a vital addition to homeschool curriculum, providing your children with a deeper understanding of African American history and the fight for freedom. Through engaging narratives and educational resources, homeschooling allows children to explore the rich fabric of history and gain insights into the struggles and triumphs of remarkable individuals such as Mum Bett or Elizabeth Freeman. Thank you for exploring the inspiring story of Elizabeth Freeman or Mum Bett with me. To discover more about Mum Bett and other influential figures in Black history, check out the link to Diverse Eras Bondage to Freedom in the description below. Start your homeschool curriculum with empowering stories that inspire and educate your children. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enriching content. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.